Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT 5. First, power on your new Huawei Watch GT 5 by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds. Make sure your smartphone is nearby and has Bluetooth enabled. Having a full charge on your watch ensures a smooth connection process. You will also need to download the official Huawei Health app on your phone. For Android users, open the Google Play Store and search for Huawei Health. Then download the app. If you use an iPhone, head to the Apple App Store, search for the same application, and install it. After downloading, launch the app and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to grant it essential permissions for full functionality, such as location and notifications. Open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone and tap the Devices tab at the bottom. Select Add Device, then choose Smartwatches from the list and find Huawei Watch GT 5. Your phone will then search for nearby devices. Once your watch appears, tap its name to initiate the pairing process. A confirmation message will pop up on both your phone and watch screen. Confirm on both to complete the connection. After successful pairing, the Huawei Health app will guide you through a brief initial setup. This includes entering basic profile information like your birth date, height, and weight to ensure accurate fitness tracking. You can then dive into customizing your watch, starting with selecting a watch face that suits your style. Explore the various options within the app and adjust which app notifications you wish to receive directly on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.